In the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin stands as a beacon of innovation and intrigue. This groundbreaking digital asset, born from the depths of the 2008 financial crisis, has transformed the way we perceive and interact with money. Bitcoin's meteoric rise has not only disrupted traditional finance, but has also captivated the collective imagination of investors, tech enthusiasts, and skeptics alike. Today, we find ourselves at the precipice of a new era where Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are increasingly becoming part of our everyday lives. Yet, amid all this, one question continues to echo throughout the digital corridors of the internet, whispered in hushed tones in Wall Street boardrooms and debated fiercely in the vibrant threads of online forums. This is the million-dollar question, or perhaps more accurately, the $100,000 question. The question on everyone's mind is, will Bitcoin soar to $100,000? As a seasoned crypto analyst, I've delved deep into the factors shaping Bitcoin's trajectory. Understanding these factors is critical to answering the burning question, will Bitcoin reach the $100,000 mark? Let's start with market demand. As with any commodity, the value of Bitcoin is intrinsically linked to its demand. Over the years, we've seen an exponential rise in institutional interest, with large corporations and financial institutions incorporating Bitcoin into their portfolios. This surge in institutional interest, coupled with growing mainstream adoption, has propelled Bitcoin's demand to unprecedented levels. While market demand is a key factor, it is also subject to change, influenced by various internal and external factors. Next, let's consider supply dynamics. Bitcoin's supply is capped at 21 million coins. Every 4 years, a halving event occurs, cutting the rate of new Bitcoin production in half. This scarcity, reinforced by these halving events, fuels Bitcoin's appeal as a hedge against inflation. However, as the number of new Bitcoins entering the market decreases, the competition to acquire existing Bitcoins intensifies. Moving on, we have the regulatory landscape. Cryptocurrencies exist in a relatively new and evolving regulatory environment. Regulatory clarity remains a pivotal factor in Bitcoin's trajectory. Positive regulations could pave the way for broader acceptance and stability, while uncertainties or restrictive policies may impede growth. The global nature of cryptocurrencies adds another layer of complexity, as regulations can vary widely from one jurisdiction to another. Fourth on our list is market sentiment. The psychology of investors plays a significant role in Bitcoin's price. Positive sentiment can trigger a FOMO or fear of missing out, leading to a buying spree. Conversely, negative sentiment can trigger profit-taking or panic selling. The rise of social media has amplified this factor, as news and opinions, whether accurate or not, can spread rapidly and influence market sentiment. Lastly, we have macroeconomic forces. In an era of economic uncertainty, Bitcoin's potential as a digital gold or a store of value gains prominence. This has driven interest among traditional investors who view Bitcoin as a potential hedge against inflation and economic instability. However, as with all investments, macroeconomic forces such as interest rates, inflation, and economic growth can significantly impact Bitcoin's price. With these factors in mind, our expert weighs in on the likelihood of Bitcoin reaching the coveted $100,000 mark. While the potential is there, it's crucial to approach it with caution. The world of Bitcoin is dynamic and unpredictable. Market volatility and unforeseen events can sway prices in ways that no one can accurately predict. In conclusion, while the journey to $100,000 is filled with both challenges and opportunities, it's an exciting time to be a part of the crypto landscape. Whether Bitcoin achieves this milestone remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: Bitcoin continues to captivate the imagination of investors worldwide. As we navigate the dynamic world of cryptocurrency, one question lingers in the air. Will Bitcoin's price reach $100,000? Only time will tell. While $100,000 isn't a far-fetched target given Bitcoin's historical performance and growing adoption, it's crucial to approach it with caution. Bitcoin's journey has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride, marked by soaring highs and plummeting lows. This inherent volatility is a key aspect to consider when forecasting its price trajectory. Let's reflect on the past for a moment. Bitcoin, born out of the 2008 financial crisis, has grown exponentially over the last decade. It has overcome numerous hurdles, earning its place as the king of cryptocurrencies. However, it's important to remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. The crypto market is notoriously unpredictable. It's driven by a multitude of factors, from technological advancements and regulatory developments to market sentiment and economic forces. Each of these elements can significantly influence Bitcoin's price. Consider market volatility. It's not uncommon for Bitcoin's price to swing by thousands of dollars in a single day. This volatility can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it presents opportunities for high returns. On the other, it poses significant risks for investors. Then, there's the issue of unforeseen events. The crypto market is still relatively young, and it's subject to unexpected shocks. These could range from technological glitches and security breaches to regulatory crackdowns and macroeconomic crises. Each of these events can trigger dramatic price fluctuations. Despite these uncertainties, one thing remains clear. Bitcoin has captured the world's attention. Its potential to disrupt traditional financial systems, coupled with its promise as a hedge against inflation, makes it an intriguing asset. Will it reach $100,000? It's certainly possible. But it's also equally possible that it could face significant setbacks along the way. Therefore, as we venture into this exciting yet unpredictable world of Bitcoin, it's essential to stay informed, remain cautious, and invest wisely. Indeed, the journey to $100,000 is rife with challenges and opportunities. As we continue to monitor Bitcoin's progress, we must remember that investment in cryptocurrency, as with any investment, involves risk. It's a journey that promises to be as thrilling as it is uncertain. Scene script. Whether Bitcoin achieves this milestone remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: the crypto landscape continues to captivate the imagination of investors worldwide. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of Bitcoin, exploring its potential to hit the elusive mark of $100,000. From the multitude of factors influencing its price, such as market demand, supply dynamics, regulatory landscape, market sentiment, and macroeconomic forces, to the expert analysis of these elements, we've delved deep into what could shape Bitcoin's trajectory. Remember, the surge in institutional interest and mainstream adoption has propelled Bitcoin's demand to unprecedented levels. Then there's Bitcoin's scarcity, which has been reinforced by halving events, fueling its appeal as a hedge against inflation. Regulatory clarity, or the lack thereof, remains a pivotal factor, with positive regulations potentially paving the way for broader acceptance, while uncertainties may impede growth. Let's not forget the psychology of investors, which plays a significant role. Positive sentiment can trigger a fear of missing out, while negative sentiment may result in profit-taking. Finally, in an era of economic uncertainty, Bitcoin's potential as a store of value gains prominence, driving interest among traditional investors. Our expert has weighed in, stating that while $100,000 isn't a far-fetched target given Bitcoin's historical performance and growing adoption, it's crucial to approach it with caution. Market volatility and unforeseen events can sway prices in unpredictable ways. Indeed, the journey to $100,000 is rife with challenges and opportunities. The crypto landscape is always evolving, and Bitcoin, as its beacon, continues to generate intrigue and excitement. So, as we continue to monitor Bitcoin's journey, we are left with the same question that led us here. Will Bitcoin reach the coveted $100,000 mark? The answer to that is as volatile and unpredictable as the cryptocurrency itself. As we navigate the dynamic world of cryptocurrency, one question lingers in the air. Will Bitcoin's price reach $100,000? Only time will tell.